Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the difficulty settings within the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device, and after logging in or signing up to create your new account, you will need to complete the basic tutorial levels for the game in order to gain access to the difficulty settings. Once you complete these levels and gain access to your main character, when you start the story mode, you will get an option to choose either casual or challenge mode. Now, if you chose the casual mode within this screen, you will need to complete that mission within casual mode, and you will not be able to choose challenge mode in the middle. And if you chose challenge mode, then the same situation will apply, as you will not be able to change to the casual mode in the middle of the game. So make sure you choose carefully while selecting the difficulty settings before starting each mission. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about changing the difficulty settings within the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.